Good evening, everybody. I hope you are doing excellent. And I hope you are all ready for today's power packed session with me, Megha. All right. So, if you can just hear me perfectly, you can see me perfectly, I would appreciate if you just send me a thumbs up. Okay, so just send me a thumbs up if you can hear me correctly. You can hear me fine. Yes, thank you. Okay, great, great. Okay. All right, thank you so much. Good to see that. And I hope all are doing perfectly well. And let's begin with today's session. So, for those who have been joining me consecutively, okay. So, for those who are joining me back to back for the sessions, how is your practice going on? I hope it's not once in a week thing. I hope the practice is there. And also those who are joining for the first time. Yeah, thank you so much, people. Hi and welcome, everyone. Those who are joining now. Okay, so those who are joining for the first time and are beginners, so for them, we just need to respect our bodies, the length at which we can push ourselves. So just stick, those who are beginners, you just respect your body, listen to your body, and those who are practitioners, you are most welcome to push more. And so remember, we are always looking for progression in postures. So that it has to come through practice, so that you keep on progressing with practice. So we are not looking for a perfection right now. We are just looking for progression, progress, and perfection will come with progression. और आप तभी progress कर पाएंगे जब आप regular practice कर रहे हैं. All right? Okay. So let's get going with today's session. And today it's a full body session. Since we are meeting once a week, so I would like to cater to all the major muscles of the body. So let's begin with starting with sitting. So just connect with your mat. Sitting upright, as I told, those who cannot sit upright, please insert a cushion beneath the hip. Yes, and yeah, it's a lovely weather outside. The yoga practice, you can put on some subtle music that you enjoy, some subtle chants, yoga chants, and you're good for a perfect 1 hour. Okay, all right. So straighten your back. Eyes are closed. Connect with your mat. Your hands are in this manner. It's Dhyan Mudra. Okay, so the thumb is touching the index fingertip. Rest your fingers pointing downwards. Take a deep breath in. Exhale with a ha sound and open up the mouth. So along with a lot of anxiety release, this mouth opening is also, stretching your facial muscles. It is stretching the muscles of the jawline. Right? Okay, let's do this again 2 times. Inhale from your nose and exhale with a ha sound, mouth open wide. Okay, so this practice would require you to keep smiling more often. Whenever you get a chance to smile, smile. Also, just forget whatever has been worrying you, whatever is, catching your thoughts back to back, something which is making you stuck in loop. So we're just going to let that all ooze out from the body, just like we're just going to ooze out spasm. Yeah. So we do not want any negative thought to cling to us. So let's just clean our energies. Once more, we'll do the exhalation from mouth. Take a deep breath. With a ha sound. Okay. just feel the connect, watch your breathing, connect with yourself, because yoga is all about mindfulness and connection. So all the postures we are aware of how we are breathing, which muscle is being targeted. So you have to connect right away. And I hope everyone is sitting in a peaceful place somewhere around. You know, it's not too noisy, not too cluttered, well ventilated. Yeah, thank you so much. Most welcome. So many, yes, thank you so much. Glad to see people joining in. Keep joining, guys. Alright, okay, so let's start up with the warm-up. Warming up while we're sitting. Okay, so I'm just extending, flexing my toes. Yeah, extension, flexion, extension, flexion. For those who have been sitting on the chair for their work since long hours, you know, this hour, make the most of it. Heel out, flex, just watch the toes. Toes out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Make a circle. Yes. Okay, wonderful. Reverse. Reverse circle. Okay. Awesome. Okay, let's lift our left leg and try to bring it close as much as you can. Left, right, left, right, left, right. So please do not do a hunch back here. Do what your body allows. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job. Now, fold it. Hold the big toe. Hold the big toe. I would welcome all the questions at the end of the session. More than welcome. Okay, so now this is 1, 2, open up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, from here let's come to butterfly. Yes, so it's opening up your entire chain of muscles of the legs, because it's opening up the hip. And did you know that people, those who feel a lower back pain, they have a tight hip. और अगर आपका hip tight है तो आपका lower back pain आ सकता है. और वो tight hip इसलिए हो जाता है because we are sitting too long and we are not giving the muscles needed exercise. Alright, so this relieves that tight hip position. Yes. Yes, watch what's happening on the inner thighs. Okay, great. Alright, let's change. So now, balance. Let's balance on the hip. अभी हमने एक किया था. Now we are just lifting both together. And try to balance. Heel out and toe in. You can tuck the core in. Focus on a point to balance. Focus, focus. Focus of the eye, the drishti. That's very important whenever you are in a balancing posture. Yes. Heel out and toe in. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Okay. Alright, wonderful. Change, stretch your hands up. Now my legs are still in butterfly. Stretch your hands up, come forward. 1. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, again working on the inner thighs. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Go forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now hold that. 1, stretch. Feel the stretch on the inner thighs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay. So this was it. So, you know, those who can come more down, you can bring and release. Relax. Leg straight. Now I'm again folding my left leg. Bring it close. Bring your toe close to the ear. So my left toe is close to the right ear. So अब ये cheating नहीं करेंगे कि हम सर नीचे ले जाएंगे. Okay? Try to lift your leg up. Yeah, feel the burn on the glutes at the side of your thigh. Lift it higher, higher and higher. Okay. Yeah. Release. Change. Yes. So kind of you're just hugging it first and now lifting it upward, lifting the toe upward. So my right toe is touching my left ear. Okay, great. So just give me a thumbs up, those who are with me. Just give me a thumbs up, those who are till here. Yes. Those who are with me. Yes. And they are able to kill all this. I hope you're able to do this. These are really, really easy. Alright, just do as per your flexibility, guys. Okay, let's turn forward. So I'm using my right. Thank you guys. So I'm using my right hand. Stretch your right hand up. Stretch your right hand. Now hold the left toe up and twist. Twist. Bring your shoulders in a straight line. Twist and look back. Yes, look there. Look at the back, at the wall. 1, 2, 3. Feel the burn. So for those who cannot keep the legs straight, you can do this. You can hold your calf. And the rest, the practitioners can just hold the hand this way. Feel the stretch on the hamstring. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Awesome. Change. Now with my left hand, I'm holding the right foot, lifting it up. Turn to the right. Look at the back. My shoulders are in a single line, straight line. Yes. And my heel is out, the toe is in. Feel the burn that you get on the hamstring. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Keep breathing. Keep breathing always. So nowhere we are holding our breath. Okay? सांस को कहीं भी हमने रोकना नहीं है. Nowhere breath holding. Keep breathing. Otherwise you will get tired. Okay. All right. So wonderful. From here, let's just come to Vajrasana. Vajrasana. Thunderbolt pose. Okay, so let's bring more activity here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's take Ustrasana. I am taking a variation. You will just drop your hands, tuck your toe in. So this is the back bend. And of course, as I told you earlier, back bends are excellent when it comes to building your immunity and also better function of your lungs. All right. So let's do a back bend here. So let's thrust the pelvic out. Thrust the pelvic out. Place your hand one by one on the heel. Thrust it out. Yes. And do a back bend. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Okay, let's place the hands this way. Stretch. Stretch. Yes. Great. Okay. Roll your spine here. Cat and cow. Inhale, dip. Exhale, rounding. 5 times. Inhale, dip. Slow and steady with the breath. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, dip. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, dip. exhale, round it. Inhale, dip. Exhale, round it. One last time. Inhale, dip, and hold the tip here. Hold the dip here for 5 counts. 5. Feel what's happening here. I'm arching my back. 4, 3, chest open. 2, 1. And now round it. Hold it for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, beautiful. So this was one very good restoration for your spine. Even if you're sitting at a place for long hours, you can be on the bed, come on the bed. Even if you're too lazy to bring your mat down, come on the bed, do this for a couple of times, and you will be feeling the flexibility is coming back. Alright? Okay, so the next one. Hold your, I'm using my left hand to hold my, okay, so this is, be careful. For those who have knee issues, they can just fold their mat. Fold their mat. Yeah, and my knees are at shoulder level. Now, I am just folding this. Alright, so I'm using my left hand to bring my left heel close to the left butt. Alright, and now I can bend. I'm just inhaling, raising my right hand up, and doing a little back bend here. Yes, so feel the burn at the quads in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Slowly. Okay, great going, guys. Change. Same ways. So this is just to, bring some kind of a burn to the quads, the quadriceps. So now we are working on the right quadricep. Heel को हमने right heel को right hip में दबाया. अपना left hand ऊपर उठाइए. Stretch. Inhale. Exhale and keep breathing there. We make a back bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Alright. Okay, now you can straighten your mat. Thank you. Great job. Okay, so from here, let's just come up and stand. Okay. Let's stand and let's begin with Tadasana. So first, are you watching that we are in a Samsthiti? The Samsthiti is this. So your weight is, equal weight is there on your ball of the feet. Also on the mounts of the toes, equal weight should be there. Okay? Equal weight. Now your hands are at the side of the thigh, the chest is out and the shoulders are a little rolled back. Yeah. So now take a deep breath for Tadasana. Inhale, make a grip here, inhale and stretch up. Yeah. And come on your toes. Focus on a point in front for more stability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch, stretch. 6. Yes, we're trying to touch the ceiling. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release. So this brings a wonderful, I would say, elongation to the spine. So this elongates and lengthens the spine in a beautiful manner. You would have felt that. Okay. So the next one, you can just go close to the wall and give yourself a deeper side stretch. So this is a side stretch. Also, this is one variation. Those who have wall close by, they could just go close to the wall and do this. But make sure कि आपका हाथ आपके face के आगे cover नहीं कर रहा है. Otherwise, the chest will not be that open. It will close. Yes, stay there. Feel the stretch at the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest open. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep breathing. 10. Relax. Change. Let's change. The other side. Yes, you can go to the wall. Try touching the wall with the hand which is above your ear. Stretch. 1, 2, 3. Chest open. 3, 4, 5. Don't hide your face with your hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Okay, wonderful. Next one. we are taking a full movement of the spine. So we are doing this. So, but before that, we all can just jump to a comfortable distance. So just jump on your mat sideways. Okay. So this is one a distance which all of us will be having. So this is the distance which you can maintain. Now just watch me first, stretching your hands and making a fist. Sarvam Pushti, this is called. My toes are inward a little bit and the heel is moving a bit outward. Now I'm turning to the left side. Exhale, I'm going down. Inhale, making an arch. पीछे से एक arch deep बनाते हुए. Come forward, exhale. Inhale, again do the same. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your toes, your feet totally grounded. Yes, let's do more. Let's do more rounds. Yeah, so this is full body. I would say this works on the entire spine. This works on the entire spine. Just go there. So this is giving your spine all the correct movement, all the needed movement. Inhale up. Exhale down. Also, you would have noticed that my hands are stuck with my ears. I am not moving them because otherwise I might feel dizzy. So अपने कान और हाथ चिपका के रखिए, खींच के बिल्कुल. Yes. Exhale down. Also, this would also help kids to increase their height. Stretch. Exhale. And also bring flexibility. Those who have a stiff spine. Last round, guys. Down. Inhale up. Yes, wonderful. Exhale down. Okay. Stretch. And just come back. Alright, wonderful. Okay, so you would be feeling, the goodness of the stretches already. So next we are doing a butt kick. Okay, so here we will be, we need to just hit the hip with the heel. Okay, so let's do that. And also make sure those who have any issue with the knees, they can just do this way. And let's do this for about 30 seconds non-stop. And those who are fine, they can just start with the jump. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, higher, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Alright, so just hang in there. Relax your breath. Just relax your breath and prepare yourself for a few rounds of Surya Namaskars to open up the body. Okay, let's come forward. So keep watching, keep practicing with me. Well, Surya Namaskars are a powerhouse of energy. They, I would say, you utilize all of the muscles. All of the muscles of your body are, brought into use by a Namaskar. Also, it works on the major muscles. It's a beautiful flow of postures. Yeah? Alright. So let's go. Whenever you are short on time and you feel that your body is pretty tight and feeling stressed and tired and lazy, that's one tip. I always opt for a Surya Namaskar. Whenever I'm feeling lazy or maybe I'm feeling tired, a little tired, I always just do quick rounds of Surya Namaskar and that brings up instant energy boost. Alright? Okay. चलिए start करते हैं. Elbows आपके side में tucked in है, ऐसे ऊपर नहीं, side में tucked in. Take a deep breath in and hands up. Inhale up. Hastatan. Back bend. Come to chair. Yes, coming to chair. Okay. From here, just lift your left leg up and come down. Land. Chest out. Watch the knee. Is the knee on the heel? सीधा है. Chest out करिए. Shoulders पीछे roll up, roll back. You can drop the knee which is at the back. You can drop it down. But chest is open. Change. Come to mountain pose. Heels pushed back. Come to a plank position. And from here, just drop your knees, chest in down, elbows are with the body. Yeah. Now navel is up in Ashtanga Namaskar. Navel is up, chest in down, slide up. Toes are flat from the back. And come up for Bhujangasana. So, I am not putting any weight on my hands. My toes are flat from the back, flatten down. Now, inhale up. Exhale, come to mountain. Heels pushed back. Keep breathing here. Watch what's happening at the calves. Now, for beginners, you can do this. You can do this. Raises. Raise and down. Raise, down. Raise, pulsing here. 5, 4. जिनके calf नहीं लगते, वो ऐसे pulsing करिए. 5, 4, 3. जिसका heel पीछे पूरा नहीं जाता. 3, 2, 1. Okay, great. Now bring your left leg forward. Right knee down, chest open, shoulders back. Okay, make adjustments so that your knee is on the heel in a straight line. Chest open. And now tuck the right toe in, come forward, and from here again dip and come to a chair pose. 5, 4, sitting on the chair. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms up, arching back. And Namaskar. Inhale up. Yes, back to back, guys. No break there. Go back. Exhale down. Now stay here. Stay here in a flat back. Flat back position. So watch what's happening at the leg. Watch what's happening. This hamstring पे जो stretch आ रहा है उसको देखिए. Straightening your spine. Hip पीछे push कर रहा हुआ है. Yes. Okay. So now fold your knees a bit. And I'm opening and closing. Did you see? So this is for those who have tight hamstrings. Open and close. I'm just holding my big toe and doing this. 5, 4, 3, 2. Great going, guys. 1. Alright. Now, take your right leg back. Stretch. And down. Land here. Chest open. And let's come to Anjaneyasana. Okay, so here, my knee and my heel are in a straight line. My right thigh is pointing towards the mat. पीछे वाला thigh नीचे को push करिए. Chest open. Yes, and the toe is also flat. The right toe is flat. Release. Let's change. Tuck it in. Come up. Go to mountain. Heels pushed back. Feel the burn on the calves here. In mountain pose. Adho Mukha Svanasana. A very powerful posture. Releases all the spasm from the legs, strengthens the shoulders. Alright. Now come forward. In a plank. And dip. Navel is up, chest, chin down. Slide up. Toes are flat. Now take a full bhujan because my arms are straight now. Chest open. Look up. Shoulders are back. My toes are flat from the back. And release. Come up. Yeah, now bring your right leg forward. And let's come to Anjane with this leg was left. So now I'm pushing my left thigh downward towards the mat. My right knee and the right heel are, just keep on checking. Right knee and the right heel are in a straight line. Arms up, little bit arch back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Tuck your toe in. Come up. Okay. So from here, let's go. Come up. Just come half. Alright, this is a flat back position. 5. Push your hip back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. And arching back. Hands in Namaste. Alright. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Great job. Okay. Well, what? Just take a breather if you want to take a sip of water. Just take a breather in between so that we are, coming for goddess pose. So first, again. Now I feel my body much in my own control. Also, stay in samsiti now, coming back this way. Now again jump out and give me a star. A smiling star. Alright, so this is star. Yeah. Alright, good. Keep going. Good job. So this is a star. So full extension. Extend your hands towards the ceiling. The heels a little bit outward. The hands, yes, the hands are tightened. Okay, so pull your thigh muscles up. Your hands will be tight. The knees will be tight. And your hands will be released. Alright, release. From here, let's come to goddess. Okay, or you could call it a sumo squat position. So here, so see what we're doing, keeping the chest out and the shoulders roll back. Now I'm just doing a heel lift. 1, 2. Just lift your heel and feel the burn. 2, 3. I'm sure you would be sweating here till by this time. Already 3, 4. I hope no one is practicing in the air conditioner. If yes, please switch it off. 6, 7, we want to sweat. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, release it. Okay, feel the burn of the quads. Another one. Dip. And just let's do this. 1, 2, stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Feel the burn here. 4. Don't give up. 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, wonderful. So as I told earlier, guys, those who have weak knees, whenever you strengthen the quads, the hands, your knees, or obviously, the ligaments get better. So अगर आपको knee strength improve करनी है तो उसकी neighboring principle से चलिए, उसकी neighboring muscles पे काम करिए, and you will be feeling much better. Alright, okay, so well, coming to the next one, I would be taking another flow to work on a quadriceps, and also on the hands. Alright, so, well, first come to Anjane. Dip this way. My right knee is on the calf, on the heel. They're in a straight line. And now, I'm just placing the left thigh, pushing the left thigh downward, and fold your hands in Namaskar. Chest open, arch back. 5, 4, 3, 2. Push the left thigh downward. 1. Feel the burn on the quads. Yes, wonderful. Change. So now this way. Position नहीं बदला हमने. Heel out, toe in करिए. My right leg. Heel out and toe in. So now where you're getting the stretch, it's on the hams of the right leg. Stay there. 1, 2. You can do this. Pull the toe inward. 3. Heel out, toe in. 4 and 5. Again. Let's do this in dynamic. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Follow the instructions always. 8, 9, feel the stretch, and 10. Okay. Alright, wonderful. Let's change. So now, my left leg is here. Left leg, my left knee is on the heel. Now I will be pushing my right thigh downward towards the mat. Chest open. Namaste में आइए. Arching back. पीछे वाला पंजा flat है नीचे. Yes. Keep pushing the right thigh down till you feel a very beautiful stretch here at the quads. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can look up. 9. Arch back. 10. Let's do dynamic. Yes. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2. Same leg. And 1. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3. Open up. Yes. 4, 5. Feel the opening up happening in the quads and the hamstring. 6. Of both the legs work is happening. 7. Good. 8, 9. Yes. Stretch. And 10. Alright. Wonderful. Come up. Good job, guys. Good going till now. Alright. Let's come to a balancing pose. So let's take dances today. Natarajasana. So for that, I am grounding my right leg, right thigh को ऊपर की तरफ pull करिए, ऊपर की तरफ pull करिए. जिनकी भी weak knees है, this is a very important tip. आप जितना ऊपर की तरफ pull करके रखते हैं, अपनी quads को खींचते रहिए, tight करते रहिए, knees में आपकी strength आने लगेगी. Remind yourself frequently, okay? Even you can do it while standing, you can do it while sitting. Alright, okay guys. So let's come to balancing. Balancing is important because our brain loses the muscles of the brain. Gradually with age, वो muscle brain spots आने लग जाते हैं. Muscles they just start, I would say, not working the way they do when you are young. So balancing postures always help. They are very good for concentration, for better focus. Tighten up the right leg, thigh ऊपर की तरफ खींच दिया. Now fold the left and hold the toe with the left hand and just pull the toe upward. Ceiling की तरफ खींचिए उसको. और अब ये सीधा मैंने हाथ उठा दिया right, and I'm just my purpose is to focus and balance. मुझे बहुत नीचे आना नहीं है. मुझे अपना जो लेफ्ट टो है ऊपर सीलिंग की तरफ लेके जाना है. Pull it up. Yes. Focus. 5, 6, 7. And also remember the pelvic is not moving too much. 8, 9 and 10. Relax it. Change. Good job. Let's balance. Take the other leg. First preparation. Prepare the left leg because left नहीं अभी सारा body weight लेना है अकेले. Left thigh को ऊपर कीजिए. Focus बनाइए eyes का. Point 2. Third point. Right toe को हमने मोड़ा. ऊपर की तरफ focus बनाते बनाते ऊपर की तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं. Pelvic will not turn. Yes, you can take your hand. I've taken my right hand. Stretch it. Pull the left toe towards the ceiling as much as you can without losing your balance. Drishti, focus बनाइए. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Slowly release. All right. Good job, people. Good job. Good going. Chaliye, from with this, we will come to one of the important sitting postures. That's called Paschimottan. So now, Paschimottan is again important for your knees. Knees को strong रखने के लिए. Sitting down. Sitting down. Legs in front straight. Guys, so we would be taking little small flows in between, okay, which I have made in such a manner that it gives a wholesome impact to the body. It's because I said it's a full body opening up session today. So coming to Paschimottan, also we are keeping in mind postures which are really important to raise the strength, not only flexibility. We are focusing on strength and flexibility both through the session. Alright, so your heel is out and the toe is in for Paschimottan. Stretch your hands up. And as you get older with your practice, please extend the holding time. 10 से 20 seconds जाइए, 30 seconds जाइए. Keep on extending that to gain more strength in your muscles. Stretch your hands up as if you're trying to touch the ceiling. Now exhale and push the navel inward. Yes. And reach out for your toes. Your thigh muscles are already up, so the knees are not bending. Those who cannot, you could just stay here, or maybe I told in my prior sessions that you can always use a yoga belt or a dupatta and use it this way, use it wisely. One thing important कि hunchback ऐसा नहीं करना हमने. Chest आपका open रहेगा, आपके कंधे पीछे की तरफ push रहेंगे. Yes. Now feel the burn that you get on the hands. The heels are out, the toes are in. Keep holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, arms up. Stretch, touch the ceiling. Stretch up, release. Alright, good. Alright, let's just come to a flow from here. I'm taking a little small flow which will burn more of calories. Okay, so well, the weather is good. Yes, so the weather is lovely. Well, I need to burn more so that you are eligible for a pakoda party later. Yeah, so the weather is such. Okay, alright. Okay guys, good job. Give me a thumbs up. अभी पकौड़ा सुन के तो thumbs up कर सकते हैं सभी. Okay, good. चलिए, let's come to a boat knockout. Boat pose. So balance बनाना है hip पर. Beginners आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं और धीरे उसे extend करिए. Yes, see so many thumbs up. The pakoras has given the thought of pakoda and tea has given so many thumbs up. Good, great. So let's work out more a little bit. Become eligible for that pakoda party. Alright? और एकदम से session खत्म होते ही नहीं जाना है. Wait for about 30 minutes. Okay guys? Alright. Okay. Wonderful. So let's just come to boat. A little bit more, few minutes more. Need to work out more. Come for boat. You can balance on your hip. ऐसे लेके आइए धीरे ऐसे कर लीजिए. और जो beginners हैं वो ऐसे कर सकते हैं. That's fine. So boat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so from here I am coming to Malasana. You can or you cannot, you may not take support. So well, it's your choice. If you want support, बिना support के उठ सकते हैं, उठ जाइए. Support चाहिए ले लीजिए. Come in Malasana. This way Malasana, heels are down. पूरा weight डाला हुआ है पीछे heels पर. Knees are apart. I'm pushing my knees out with my elbows. Excellent for those who have issues like chronic constipation. I'm pushing my knees out with my elbows in Malasana. My spine is straight, I'm not hunching. Important technical things, a little bit, which make a lot of difference to your postures. Okay, wonderful. So from here, let's jump to mountain pose, guys. Mountain pose. अगेन माउंटेन से आगे आ जाइए, बैक टू मालासन, बैक टू मालासन, हिप डाउन, बैक टू बोट, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's come up again. Beautiful. 1, malasana, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump back, mountain, 5, 4, heels push back, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump forward, malasana, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, hip down, boat pose, 5, 4, focus, 3, always focus and balance, 3, 2, 1, and last time. Let's easily, slowly come up to malasana. We can come without you hold, using your hands, it's fine. Alright, great, good going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, come down, hands down, mountain pose, heels push back, push your heels downward, yes, and here, let's just do a little bit climbers to, get more from the session. Start with the climbers, 1, 2, bring your knee to the chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jog, 8, 9, 10, higher, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and alright, come forward to malasana. Wonderful guys, great energy, good job, we keep going, and just come down, relax. Okay, alright guys, great going. Well, so now let's just come to, okay, thank you so much everybody, thank you so much. I'm loving the energy and the session and the vibes, absolutely, absolutely. Okay, great. चलिए change करें. Let's come for, say, coming on the abdomen, I would say. Let's come to the abdomen. And let's do a little swimming here today. So my toes are flat. Toes are flat. I appreciate your comments. Any questions, please put there. I'll check that. Pause the session if we have enough time. Appreciate your comments, guys. Thank you so much. Alright, so your toes are flat. Okay, so now I am just lifting my chest up. So this will bring energy in my, flow of energy and also more strength in my spine. हाथों का weight नहीं है, हाथों पे कोई weight नहीं है. Alright, just lift your chest up and just start swimming here. 1, and just don't drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, swimming without water. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Keep swimming. 8, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6. 1 minute. 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't drop your chest. 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, and drop. Okay, great. So this was a very good, movement for your shoulders. Also, simultaneously within the same posture, this will also strengthening your spine. All right. Okay, let's come on the spine now. I'll just come to a cooling down, Setu Bandhasana or bridge pose. So just lift. मेरे कंधे अंदर की तरफ हो गए, pelvic ऊपर lift कर दीजिए. Now, let's just place our elbows, placing our waist on an elbow stand. Alright? अपने कंधे जितना अंदर कर सकते हैं करिए. Pelvic पूरा ऊपर. You can even squeeze your butt. Alright? Yes, keep breathing. And also, we can affirm here that my spine is getting stability, my spine is getting stronger. The affirmations simultaneously, they make the postures much beautiful. They work on the subconscious. Also, for ladies having issues like PCOD, PCOS, those issues are getting sorted. Just keep on affirming, keep holding, and slowly come down. Slowly come down. Okay, let's roll, hug. Okay, you can leave your, hold your heels as well, those who can. Otherwise, simply hug, अच्छे से chest पे दबाइए knees को, and rolling 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again press and just open to happy baby pose. Happy baby pose. My heels are far away. I'm holding my heels with my hands this manner, and also my knees are far. They are making a 90-degree angle with my heel, and we can rock right and left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a beautiful stretch if you are a tight hip person, if you feel stiffness in the lower body. A tight hip, and relax. Gently place your legs down. Alright. Okay, come to Shavasana, guys. Shavasana, no needs no introduction. This is the posture everybody longs for and waits for. Cooling down. Cooling down. So just cool down in Shavasana. Okay, so let's just turn from a left, just turn from a left, yeah, time to just yes, and let's come up and sit. Just close your eyes. Let's do a Bhramari breath relaxation and bring all your attention to your breath. What's happening? Just keep on analyzing what's happening. How do you feel? Are you sweating? Are you feeling hot? Are you feeling relaxed? Are you feeling, opening up? You're feeling more energized? Just analyze, introspect how you feel. Your back is straight, the shoulders are back while you're sitting. No hunchback. Alright, so I'm just closing with a Bhramari breath Place both your hands on the head. Your ears are, we'll just do 2 times. Your ears are, closed. The ear caps are closed by the thumb. Inhale and exhale with a hum. Again. Relax, bring your hands down. Let's close with Om. Inhale. Placing both your hands at the chest, just feel the vibration of Om here. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. Rubbing your palms, adding a smile back. Place this energy on the entire body. And thank you so much, guys. Thanks for the wonderful energy. I hope the session was fruitful and fun for you. And yes, thank you so much for joining. Any important questions? We can quickly answer if you have any questions. Yes, you all are eligible for the Pakora party. Now, enjoy the weather. All right. Okay, so thank you so much. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you for joining. I appreciate. Thank you, Anchal. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nikhil. Oh yes, Nidhi. Thank you so much. Nidhi Man 09. Thank you so much. Of course, thank you so much, Nidhi Man 09. I too enjoyed. All right, yeah, Kushi, thank you so much. 190817. This should be saved. Okay. Thank you so much. I am Shahrukh. Oh, that's wonderful. Pooj Dhruv Uppal. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. The Anytime Fitness Fraternity. This is indeed a lovely platform. And I'm happy that, you have so many people who are really serious about their health. Good to see all of you. And I really hope to see you next week as well, because it's a journey. And as we all know, we need to just keep ourselves motivated, and it has to be a regular thing. It has to be a disciplined practice, because yoga gives magical results for sure. But the only thing is discipline and regularity. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Namaste. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.